It's roofless right now.
Hello.
Hello. Look at all those blocks. How big are they?
Yeah, they are super big. The bigger one is my school block.
Yeah. If you're looking forward to us building this house with jumbo blocks, give us a big thumbs up. Remember to comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications.
Yeah, I'm going and a big thumbs up. Like
So this is the house set once it's out of the box.
yeah.
We actually bought it from eBay. It looks really good.
Yes, so a bit, so you have to cut a bit off.
Yep.
Yeah, like you have to cut like a few
So
pieces
we get
off.
cutting then so we can start building it.
Yeah.
Just when we were unboxing it and getting rid of all the cable ties, we've actually realised that there's a wee house that's giving us a wee roof with it as well.
Yeah, make the roof.
Hello.
Hello. There were the guards in this house. Let's get building!
So the kids are just going to start building the house now with the jumbo blocks. Just to make it easier for them, I've separated the roof blocks out of the way for them just so they can build the main part first.
Yeah.
Oh, remember those ones, those big bits are for under the roof, sweetheart, so just leave them for now. Yeah, you need to leave it for now. Why? Right, okay, you make a table with it.
A table?
Just leave them. By the looks of the picture, this is when we start to build the roof. Okay, so that's the main part of the house done. Now they're just adding the big blocks for beneath the roof. Perfect.
Yeah, perfect just right now.
Perfect. Almost. Just roofless. It's roofless right now.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. They're managing.
There we go.
Yeah.
So now I want to put it like that.
Good girl. Well done, you.
It's going to be too on top. And then we have to do
No, not there, sweetheart. We don't need another one. Girl, well done, you.
I saw a table.
Oh, not there. Not there.
That's so strong.
Does it feel quite strong? Sturdy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put the wee red bits in the corner, just like Jin's doing. Good boy. Oh, we've only got last pieces. Mimi, behind you, the last pieces. Right? Well done. And that's it. All done. What would you give it out of 10?
100.
100. What would you give it, Lee?
40.
40.
I'll give it 1,000.
1,000. So
Come in. Yeah. Hello.
okay, so that's the house built now. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button and get the notification bell clicked as well so you can see all of our upcoming videos.